To complete the non-chemical treatment areas, buffers around the roads need to be created. In this demonstration, I will show you how you can create a new table and add records and values. My new table will list the road type and the corresponding buffer distance. You will use this table in the exercise to buffer the roads. I've loaded a portion of my script into Python Win. Once again, I'll begin my script by importing ArcPy. The next two lines set geoprocessing environments. The first line sets my workspace to the C Data San Juan geodatabase. The second environment sets my script to overwrite the data that already exists. The overwrite output is convenient when debugging your scripts. Without setting the overwrite output, I would have to delete my table in ArcGIS each time I run my script. Next, I'll use the Create Table Geoprocessing tool to create a new table named Buffer Distance in my San Juan geodatabase. I will then add two attribute fields, a text field named Route Type and a short integer field named Distance. Now I need to add data to my table. I'll do this with an object known as a cursor. A cursor allows me to read, edit, and add new records in a table. I'll set a variable named rows equal to a new insert cursor using my buffer distance table. An insert cursor allows me to add or insert new rows into my table. Next, I'll use the new row method to create a new row. My new row is assigned to a variable named row. In my next two lines, I'll add two new attribute values. First, I'll add a value of primary to the route type attribute. Then, I'll add a distance value of 2000. Now that I've created new values, I'll insert my row into the table. When I'm done with my script, I'll delete my two variables that reference the table. This will remove the locking on my table and allow me to use the table in ArcGIS. I'll save and run my script. Now I'll go into ArcMap and add the table to my map. If I open the table, I can see my new attributes. In this example, I have only added one row to my table. If I wanted to add more rows and attribute values, I could add additional row statements to my Python code using my insert cursor.